Alright guys, this is my 2015 Smart car. I have the wrenches that come on service light. I'm gonna try to show you how to turn it off. So what they say is you gotta turn off the car. The car has to be off, right? Put it in the second position. This one, right? So the one with this one where the car has all the instruments on but the car isn't on. So you see how it's blinking? So they say press this button 2 times and then turn off the ignition. Let me see here. So 1, 2, hit the ignition. And they said hold it after, turn on the car, and I'm still holding it after I turned on the car. See how it went 0, 0, wrenches are blinking, negative. See if it changes.